Hi everybody, myself Muhammad Ibrahim Netore. I am lecturer at Brahmadev Dada Mane Polytechnic Belati, Solapur in Civil Engineering Department. In today's session, we will discuss about the course Heavy Engineering. The subject code is 22302 in program Civil Engineering. The diploma third semester subject Heavy Engineering, in which we will see about the course outcome, that is scope and importance of road in India and its characteristics. Second course outcome is different modes of transportation. Third, general classification of roads. Fourth, road classification in India. Fifth, development of urban roads. Sixth, requirement of an ideal road alignment and the factor affecting road alignment. In today's session, the contents are, or we will discuss about the introduction, importance of road, scope of heavy engineering, modes of transportation, classification of road, classification according to location, classification according to traffic. First of all, we see the introduction. In highway engineering, highway engineering is an engineering discipline branching from civil engineering that involves the planning, design, construction and maintenance of road, operation and tunnels to ensure safe and effective transportation of peoples and goods. In introduction, land transportation is considered to be easy, economical, or we can say within the reach of a common man, or it is a network in a village or city or in a country which play an important role in economical, social, cultural, commercial development of that area. The transportation of people and goods on land is possible through railway and roadways. In the importance of road, speedy, easy and economical transportation of raw materials, people and goods in different parts of country. And the second important of the road, it is the only means of communication in hilly areas or rural sensitive areas. In third point, road helps in price stabilization of product all over the country. In fourth important of point, it studies the traffic volume to determine the best strategy to minimize traffic congestion. They provide employment opportunities. In important of road, they give good revenue by increasing the land value, and they provide quick advance and medical facilities to rural and remote sensitive areas. They act as a feeder to airways, railways and waterways. They play an important role in the defense of country during the war days. Now we will see about the scope of heavy engineering. In the scope of heavy engineering, first of all we see it is a branch of transportation engineering which deals or which includes design, construction and maintenance of different types of roads, development, planning and location of roads, traffic management study and its performance, drainage of roads, environment and social impact point of view. In the modes of transportation, transportation of people and goods are possible by land, that is roadways or railways, by waterways, that is transportation through river and canal, and air. In classification of road are classified into two subpoints, that is urban and non-urban. In urban, expressway, arterial streets, subarterial streets, collector streets, and local streets. In first of all, we see the expressway. Expressway, these are divided arterial highways for motor traffic and provided generally with great separation at intersection. The main function of expressway is to provide for movement of heavy traffic at high speed. In B point, arterial streets. Arterial streets are streets primarily meant for through traffic, usually on a continuous route, or arterial streets along with expressway serve as the principal network for through traffic flow. In subarterial street, that is C point, these are streets of somewhat lower level of mobility than arterial streets. These are spaced at 0.5 km in the central business area and 3 to 5 in suburban areas. In collector streets, that is D point, these are intended for collecting and distributing the traffic to and from the local streets and also for providing access to arterial streets. In last point, that is local streets. Local streets are primarily intended or for access the residents, business or other abutting properties. These streets do not carry large volume of traffic. In non-urban roads, The non-urban roads are classified as follows: according to location, according to importance of road, according to traffic, and according to the tonnage. Now we will see about the classification according to location. Classification according to locations are national highway. In national highway is denoted by an NH. National highway running throughout the country, joining capital of state, ports, foreign highways. For example, NH3 Mumbai Agra Road or NH50 Pune Nasik Road. In state highway, which is denoted by SH, which joining district headquarters and important cities within the states or connecting them to national highway or highways of neighboring states. In major district roads, which is denoted by MDR, these are important roads within districts joining the state highway. In other district highway, which is denoted by ODR, the roads in important rural areas connecting the marketplace or center railway stations. In village road, which is denoted by VR, connecting villages or group of villages to district roads or with each other. These roads play important role in the economic, social development point of view. In classification according to traffic, this is based on intensity of traffic or number of vehicles carried per day. The classification is classified as very heavy traffic road, medium traffic road, light traffic road. The limit varies 70 vehicles per day to 1600 vehicles per day. So thank you for the watching.